Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add fill color text box in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I add fill color in text box in this document. At first I have a draw text box. Select this text tool and drag on your mouse left button. Now you can see here are my text box. Now write anything on your text box. Now select this selection tool and you can see here are appearance option. You can see here are fill option. Click this fill option and choose any color. I choose this one, black color, or this red one. Now click outside of this text box. Now you can see I add a fill color in text box in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.